Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is Lala Vlog in Bohol, Philippines. So, good morning. Shout out everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on notification bell. Okay? So, coffee lover tayo, my dear. Okay, with herbal supplement, okay, with vitamins C. And then try ko ani guys, gamay na lang no, sa dati puno yan, so ganito na po siya kakunti. 1 year din to inabot guys. Gusto ko nang maubos to para mapalitan ko na siya ng panibago. So yeah.